So this is my room, as I have made already one video on my BCKV hostel room, and now this is I'm making the video on my next university, that is IRMA hostel room. And I'll show you each thing which are in my hostel room, and just have a look at the beginning of the video. I will start with, this is the door. Let me go close to the door. There are two chairs in my room. One I have put in my two bags, and I have one extra bag inside the almirah. I'll show you that also. Now this is my study table. I have papers left. I haven't read the newspaper for the last 5 days, so I took them all together and I'll read them one by one. Here I have 3 water bottles. That one I have put in because I bought this from the airport and it was too costly, so I haven't left it. And this is my laptop, my study lamp, and here I have 2 sockets, one for laptop charge, one for good night, and one for if I want to charge the lamp. Here I have my books. Here I have my exercise notebooks. Here I have my extra books for hobbies. And now come to this. Here I have my power bank. I have Portolin, which I have to use daily night. And then we have our toothpaste. This is my smartwatch charger and headphone, nail cutter. And now coming to my bed, I have one socket here also to charge my mobile. And here you can see my earphones. I have put it in just beside my head so that like in the night I used to sleep while listening to songs. Here there is another door because there is veranda outside. And if I open my almirah, you can see they are full of my clothes. 2 blazers I have, and here I have my socket, my medicines, my extra items, all that thing. I have 2 logs extra, 1 plate. If I order from Zomato, I use that plate. Chips, biscuits. Here I have my extra sweater, blanket, and clothes, and 1 extra bag American Twister. Now let me close it. I have this balti I use for bathing, the umbrella, the hand wash, the shoe. I have 4 shoes. Oh, sorry, I have 5 shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. That's my room tour. Here I have written some quotes. These are the key to good placement. This was the first thing that was given to me while coming to IRMA. This is my room key, and this was the start date. Let's start 2/7/2024. Here there is full schedule of the whole year, like in which time what will happen, how much week it will take, everything. And top of that, those books you can see, those are of first terms. And this is my body lotion. This is Pauline spray. There is glue. There is sharp